QVC, and when we have the ability to bring you something from one of the top fashion houses in the world, known for their iconic looks in fashion and their iconic looks in beauty, aka Givenchy, this is when you perk up. Here we have something that's exclusive to QVC. You can only get this set here, and it's their top selling concealer, highlighter, and mascara and lip color, all in an exclusively designed Givenchy pouch that they've done for us here. Givenchy never discounts, but here you're getting an insane value. The mascara and the concealer at retail would be a value of $66. Here you're getting a QVC price of $58. Free shipping and handling to get this home. Item 825-9628. And my friend Jessica Barlow's here today.
Hi.
She's someone who we love. Mwah. And know
you.
she brings us great items in beauty, in fashion. This from Givenchy
cool, right?
combines everything together.
I love this. I love this, and this was designed actually by the fashion house. So I was like, oh my God.
Yeah, and you can only get this here at QVC, this
That's
clutch.
right.
Yeah.
That's right. This whole set, you can only get at QVC.
Yes, exactly. So here it's item 825-9628. It's all about giving you that experience that you get in high-end luxury of Givenchy and their 3 best-selling products. So let's talk first about the mascara.
Okay.
And show everyone what makes this mascara so different and why so many people have loved this mascara at QVC.
Right. Now, I brought this special brush so we could really talk about it and show it, because this brush shows you why you get such tremendous volume with your lashes. You've got 2 different types of bristles. So the shorter bristles that coat the lashes with the product, and then the white bristles go through them and like take off. So no clumps, great mascara.
Wow, and then beautiful length
volume
in that mascara as well. And then it's all about Mr. Light. Mr. Light is like having a little man follow you everywhere with a light, because we all know it's like the movie star thing, right?
He
Like
makes you beautiful.
Yeah, he makes you
time.
beautiful all day long. He's like a little cherub.
That's right. That's right.
And Mr. Light is bringing you that gorgeous, gorgeous glow everywhere that you want to apply it.
I mean, you can literally put this thing everywhere. You can touch up under the eyes, you can touch up around your mouth, you can go ahead on your chin. And what this does is this soaks right in. It's like a little drink of water for your skin. It not only, it's not like a heavy concealer, it's really light, it's really beautiful, gives you tremendous like glow to the face, makes you younger, healthier. Beautiful product.
So it's sunshine in a stick, but it's also hydrating at the same time. I just want to show you the way that this applicator works. It's really, really very cool and interesting, because you don't even need a makeup brush, and you're getting the makeup artist tool here. So all you got to do is twist on the bottom, and that product comes right here on the top. You apply it underneath the eyes, in between the brows, in the corner of the eyes if you want to get a little bit of light, on the tip of the nose, on the tip of the lip right over here, or on the chin. All those places that you would want to get sun-kissed if you were standing out in the sun. That's where Mr. Light does all the work for you, and that really is one of the best products from Givenchy, or one of the most wanted products from the Givenchy
And it works on like
Green
all
line.
skin tones.
Yes.
Literally the lightest light through medium through tan. It works on everyone because it adjusts your skin tone and just really like melts right into the skin. I mean, let's be honest, it's 3:45 in the morning. Okay, we are friggin' tired, okay? But we don't look tired. We do not look tired.
No, we
and
don't.
It's because of our Mr. Light.
We look gorgeous and beautiful, and you know what's great about the fact that we got the Mr. Light for you? We have the Mr. Light, we have the mascara. Both of them together would be a $66 value at retail. Here at QVC, you're getting those 2, plus the lipstick, plus the bag that's been designed all specially for QVC. $58, free shipping and handling, item 825-9628. Look at the before and after here.
And if you notice this too, I mean, look at Annie. Her skin looks bright, she looks healthy. And that lipstick, by the way, that you pointed out, that is one of our best-selling shades, and it was awarded by Elle magazine as lipstick of 2014.
Wow.
Okay, in 44 countries.
That's fantastic.
So you're really getting the best
color.
of the best for such a steal, not even a deal, and you get to try out the very best of Givenchy.
So you're seeing on Annie those
love the color of the
three
lips.
beautiful products. You're getting the mascara, you're getting the Mr. Light, you're getting the lipstick, as well as the pouch, which, by the way, is a substantial pouch. It's a really nice pouch. You gotta take that on vacation with you, throw your cell phone in there, you can go out to dinner
Your
and
cell
look
phone,
fabulous.
your money, just at night. It's great. You can use it as a makeup bag.
Nice.
That clutch is cool.
825-9628. Look at Carissa as she applies Mr. Light. So this is something that can be applied everywhere.
Yep, so it can be used, she's right now putting it underneath her eyes, but it can also be used, as you were saying, like around the mouth, just to make the lips a little pouty. It can be used as a little bit of cover-up, concealer over any kind of blemishes. But it's really about skin brightening, healthy, glowing skin. I mean, look how awake and alive these girls look. Carissa looks gorgeous, you know?
She does look gorgeous. Look
It
at this. I
blends
mean, it
right
looks like gorgeous
in.
skin. And then, of course, look at the lashes, too. The lashes on here are so, they stand out to me.
Yeah,
They really do look gorgeous.
Well, you can notice is that the volumizing mascara, if they can get in there, not only do you get the volume, but you get volume without clumps, and that's what's really, really unique. And the formula has a lash care system, so it's moisturizing as well, so you're caring for your lashes at the same time.
Well, you're getting the top-selling concealer highlighter, you're getting the top-selling mascara, and the top-selling lip color from Givenchy.
All
with
in that pouch.
All with a clutch that's been designed by the fashion house. And this set is only available here. QVC price of $58, free shipping and handling, so you can love it or return it within 30 days if you're not absolutely satisfied. 825-9628. And wait till you see the before and after here, because there's so much drama. I mean, it's really all about having your mascara done, making sure that those little imperfections are kind of concealed and brightened up, and then having a perfect lip, and you're ready to go anywhere.
Yeah, I mean, these are the beauty essentials, but we talk about, like, every woman says, oh, without mascara, I can't go out with mascara. But if you've got deep, dark circles, okay, or you look tired, mascara is not enough, okay? You got to start step one. You got to cover up. Look how beautiful. I mean, this product, she's got this real glow to her. And I love the lip color, too. It looks beautiful. It really pops.
So all three of these things are what you're getting with the clutch. You know, Givenchy is a brand that never really gives any type of, you know, discount on their values in their cosmetics or in their fashions. Here at QVC, because of our relationship with them, we've been able to give you the value here. $58 for all three of these products, plus the clutch that you're seeing there. You're getting the full-size mascara, the full-size Mr. Light, and that mini Le Rouge lipstick in the rose, plus the pouch, only available at QVC. The set is only available at QVC, and this is something that I think is so fine and fabulous. Thank you so much, Jessica.
Thank
Wonderful
you.
to have you here. Mwah.
Thank you so
Stay on the
much.
lines for that one. QVC price of $58, free shipping and handling on that. Now, I want to remind you that we did have a presentation of our today's special value from the Algenist here at QVC. The Super Size Firming Cream and Firming Eye Gel. We've got it for you on auto delivery. 4 easy payments of $1 a day to get this home and try out one of the best firming experiences from the Algenist in 2015. Also, the only time you'll be able to get that cream in that super size in 2015. Item 826-6957. Well, we are having such a great time this morning. It's all about new beauty and new you, and also